Hi viewers, and welcome to another tutorial. First, draw several paths. Go to Pathfinder and select Divide. Now ungroup the paths. Now fill color in each path, going from light to dark. Now remove the path outline. Now go to Stylize and select Drop Shadow. Finally, rearrange the layers. Now, you can add other vectors to further stylize your design. Here I have created an ocean theme. I have downloaded the fish vector from Freepik. That's it. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.